everyone, my name is Michelle Blackwood from Healthier Steps. I'm so excited today because I have to share with you a super easy salad dressing. It's a Tahini Turmeric Salad Dressing. It is so healthy for you because it has tahini, which is great for you because it has calcium. It's high in calcium, and also the turmeric is anti-inflammatory. We're just gonna put everything in the blender, whiz it, and then you can eat it with your favorite salad. And another great ingredient that it has, it's pumpkin, roasted pumpkin. So before we get started, if you're seeing one of my videos for the first time and you've not subscribed to the channel, please do so, and also hit on the notification bell so that you can be updated on all our latest recipes. So let's get started. So to begin, like I said, this recipe is super easy. I like to make my own salad dressing because I like the fact that I can control the ingredients that's going into it. And you can make it savory, more tart, whatever you like. If you like it sweet, on a little bit on the sweet note, you can add your own ingredients. You can adjust them to how you want it, and you can leave out all the unwanted ingredients that you don't want in your salad dressing. So I encourage you to prepare your own salad dressing instead of using store-bought. And there's just so many delicious salad dressings that you can make from home, just using stuff that's easy to find at your local supermarket, or just in your pantry, in your cabinet, in your refrigerator, right around you. So to begin, I'm gonna be adding let's add water first. So it's at the base because your tahini is so sticky. So I'm gonna add some water. And next, I'm going to add my tahini paste. And sometimes with tahini, it is like really thick. So what you can do is like add warm water to it to loosen it up. But this one was quite soft and runny, so I didn't have to do that. I'm adding a little extra virgin olive oil. You don't have to. If you're oil free, you can leave it out. And next, I'm adding lemon juice. You can make it as tart as you prefer to. It's up to your taste bud. I don't like it too tart, but if you do, go ahead, add more lemon. Lemons are good for you. I'm adding just a touch of maple syrup to cut the tartness, and you can use whatever sweetener you prefer, or again, you can leave it out. Here I have some turmeric, some cumin, and garlic powder, and a little salt. I'm adding them. Just go ahead and add them. And next, I'm just gonna blend away. Just gonna process this. And that's it, guys. Easy peasy salad dressing. So I'm just gonna, that's it. And this is quite thick, so I'm gonna add more water to it. You can play around with the ingredient. If it's too thick, just add water, but it's really super creamy. So I'm gonna be right back. I'm gonna add extra water to it. And like I said, just add enough. Some people like their salad dressing runny. Some people like it on the thick side. So I'm just adding a little bit, and you just add a little bit at a time so you can see, and you just scrape down the sides. Scrape down the sides. You just want to add just enough to make it thick and creamy. Okay. that's it. Yeah, I like this. I like it. I like this consistency. So I'm going to just put together my salad now. During the holiday, when people love to probably put cranberries on their salad. I don't like mixing fruits and vegetables, so I don't do all that cranberry. First, my base is arugula. I like the little spicy flavor of arugula. So I'm just adding my arugula to the bottom, just the base. And I think the sweet taste of the roasted pumpkin with the arugula is good enough for me. Yeah, I don't like it too sweet. Then what I'm gonna do is, before I go, I'm just gonna add some avocado. I love avocados. So I'm just adding avocado. And there you go. And I'm just gonna cut off that part. And a spoon right here. And I'm just gonna go like that. And just gonna chop it up. I'm just adding some avocado, creamy avocado. So good. Just adding. All right. So this avocado. Next, I'm adding my pumpkin, roasted pumpkin. Beautiful roasted pumpkin, loving the fall colors. And next, I'm adding some pepitas or pumpkin seed for the crunch. Simple salad. This is just so simple. And you can add your favorite toppings to your salad. This is just so simple, easy. And then I'm gonna just pour my salad dressing. Just want to get all of the good salad dressing out. I'm just gonna pour it all over. Nice. And that's it. A simple salad for the fall. Pretty colors. The orange, yellow color and green. Perfect for the fall. So this salad is very nutritious. I hope you try it. The recipe will be on my website and the link will be down in the description below. Nice, 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 nice. Here it is. So good. So delicious. That arugula with that peppery taste, aftertaste is so good. And the crunch from the pepitas and the sweet pumpkin. This is amazing and healthy salad. Don't forget the avocado, so creamy, so delicious. You've got to try this recipe. It's just amazing and delicious. So good. Don't forget to subscribe, hit on the notification bell so that you can be updated on all our latest recipes. And I'll see you on the next video.